Okay, students, welcome once again to ELE 2314, Principles of Machine and Power, Laboratory number 10. Okay, so today's lab is the continuation of the lab 9. This is direct current motor part 2. Okay, so today I'm going to show to you how to connect the series motor connection and the shunt motor connection. Okay, so using the power supply, okay, DC voltmeter ammeter and DC motor generator, connect the circuit in shown 3-2. Okay, so notice that the armature connected in series with the series field windings, okay, across the input voltage. All right, so let us connect. So number 7, okay, connect it to the number 1, okay, then number 2, okay, number 2, connect it to the series, 2 and 3, okay, series, okay, field, and number 4 will be connected to number N. Okay, so let me get the taco generator so that we can measure also the speed of this motor. Okay. All right. Okay, so turn on the power supply, place the power supply voltmeter switch to H7N, adjust the output voltage to 240 volts. Okay, put this one to 7 and N. Okay, this is 7 and N. Alright. Okay. Alright, so turn on, step number 6. Turn on the power supply. Okay. This one here, field. And put it into 240 volts. Okay, look at here. Okay, it's 240 volts, okay? Alright, so does the motor turn on fast? Yes or no? Okay, using your hand taco generator, okay, and measure the speed. Okay, I'm gonna measure the speed. Okay, the speed is about 4,061 RPM. Alright? Okay? So reduce the power supply. Know that the effect on the motor speed. Okay? I'm now reducing it. Okay? I'm now reducing. Alright? Okay? So reduce the speed until you can see the rotation of the motor, if it is clockwise or counterclockwise. So let's take a look. Okay, now I think you can determine, if it is counterclockwise or clockwise direction. Okay, you can still move it a little bit, reduce it a little bit. Okay, but this now is clear, huh? All right. So, right. All right. Okay. Then reduce it. All right, and switch off. All right. So repeat procedure steps. Okay, 6 through 8. Okay, 6 through 8. So now, positive 7 should be connected to number 2. Okay? Step number 9, no? So let's reconnect. So 7, connect it to number 2. Alright? And number 1, connect it to the series field. Number 3. Okay? And number 4, connect it to number N. Alright. So repeat procedure steps 6 to 8. Alright. Switch on, increase, So make 240. Okay, and it's 240 volts. Okay, and get the, okay, here's the speed, 43 or 4,349 RPM. Alright, then reduce it until we can see the direction of the motor. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show to you the direction of the motor. Alright, now it's clear. You can see now the direction of the motor is either clockwise or counterclockwise. So you choose. Alright. Okay, once done. Okay, then turn off. Alright, and remove the wires. Alright, so now we are done with the series connection. Now we will do the shunt connection. Okay. Alright, so connect the circuit shown in figure 3-4. Alright. So 7. Okay, number 7. Connect it to number 2. Okay. And to number 1. Okay, here. Number 1. Okay. Then number 2 will be connected to number 8. Okay, this is number 8. Alright. And number 7 will be connected to number 6. Okay. And number 5 will be connected to number 1. Okay, so 5, 1, neutral. Okay, so adjust the rheostat to the minimum. Okay, when turn fully clockwise. So turn on the power supply and adjust to 240 volts. Okay, 240 volts, right? Then measure the motor speed. Okay, the motor speed is 1098. Alright? Okay, now determine the direction of the rotation. Alright, so adjust the restart for maximum. Okay, so now let us see how much what is the direction. Alright, check if the direction is in clockwise or counterclockwise, no? So you can adjust the rheostat, no, to determine that. So I made it slow. Okay, so you decide, no, which one, counter or clockwise. Alright, so return the voltage to 0, turn off the power supply. Now reverse the polarity of the input voltage by interchanging the power supply connection leads only. So input voltage just interchange, okay? Okay, like that, no? Alright, and then switch on, increase to 240. Okay. Alright. So get the speed. Okay, the speed is 1,478. Okay. Alright, the direction. Let us see. What is the direction? Okay, let's check. Alright, so look at here. Check what's the direction of the motor. Okay? Alright.
Mike, have you attended the meeting?
Alright, so once you get all the direction and the speed and the voltages, okay, of the motor, DC motor, then I think you are good to go. So we done the series, okay, series connection of the motor, okay, and we determined the speed and as well as the direction, no, of the motor is either counterclockwise or clockwise, and the same thing in the shunt connection. All right, okay, students, good luck. Thank you.